Right then guys, so today, big day, another big day. It's always big days. We are gonna get the new front door in. So the plasterers are coming on Wednesday, today is Monday, so we're gonna get this in. The old one needs to come out, which we've already started doing, and the new one needs to go in, so when they come to plasterboard on the inside, they can plasterboard everything in, get it all skimmed in nicely, and that's it. The only one issue we have got is we haven't yet got the steps. So there has been a few little things bouncing around with different people, so unfortunately we're still waiting to get those. So what we're going to do is just set the frame to a nominal height of 60mm. We're going to have a 50mm step on there, and that gives us then 10mm build up on the underside, and we can literally just slide that top step in and underneath the threshold on the front of the frame, and then that will all be sealed in nicely. So all we've got to do is just carefully take this apart. There's lots of bits of glass in it. I hate glass. It's not nice when you're trying to get it out, because I don't want it to smash and slice me open. So we're just carefully taking the beads out to remove the glass. Once that's out, we can rip the rest of the frame in and then get the very heavy new frame in place, get it jacked up, get it where we need to be, and then that's it, door in, job done. Right, let's crack on and get it smashed in. I hate glass. There's the hand. I know you're not into football, but you obviously, you've both heard of Maradona, the hand of God. This is the hand of Phil. Phil! Right, that's it. It is out, it's gone. Put up a bit of a fight because we had them nails that were like probably 9-inch, maybe 12-inch long. They were all obviously pinning that all in place. All the glass came out relatively easily. Just one bit broke, but that was fine. There's no gashes, so it's all good. I've knocked off the excess plaster that was around there as well. It was a bit loose because this is now going to be external, whereas before it was internal. So our frame is going to come from this point right the way up. You can see it there. There's a cable sticking down. That will be for a light which will be outside because this is going to carry on this line up there like so. So anything on this side of the tape measure will all be external from now on. So we need to render this bit here, render the back of that there. And then we've got some tricoil MDF, the stuff which is suitable for outside use, which will go on the ceiling up there as well. And that's it. Right, we're gonna have a little tidy up now and then we can start getting the new frame in. And as if by magic, the door is in. Right, you can see it's kind of taped up because we've been doing some remedial work around here and we've obviously got painting going on inside, but this is basically it. It looks absolutely awesome. So our decorator, once we're all done with this and we're all out of the way, this door is going to be removed and it's basically going to beat 10 Downing Street's door for the gloss finish. I think it's called piano paint or piano black or piano gloss, something like that. I'm sure somebody will let us know in the comments, but it's basically a mirrored finish, which it will be at the end. It will be absolutely awesome. It's a vast improvement from the last door. I hope you'll agree on that one. We've just got a few little bits to sort out and then that's it, it's good to go. Right, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, you know what to do. Give us a big thumbs up, hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.